Hey guys, thanks for coming back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the NVX NSP69. It's the N series, it's 6x9 coaxial speakers, 150 watts RMS. It says 450 watt max, but we don't care about that. These are the numbers we care about right here. Sensitivity 89 dB, frequency response 58 to 20,000 hertz, RMS power 150 watts each speaker. That's what we want right there. Got a brand new DS18 4-channel amp coming in. It's the G3600.4D. And it's pretty powerful. It's 300 watts RMS per channel at 4 ohms. So that's exciting. This is a 4 ohm speaker. And so we're going to use 2 of those channels from that new amp to power these speakers. I'm going to be dropping them. Let me see if you can see. Kind of hard to see here, but I'll show you from the inside. I have a rear deck that didn't have any 6x9s in it, but the metal shelf underneath the cover had some 6x9 holes. So I have the brackets, and these are what I'll be installing into that space. I did have some 6x9s and some boxes sitting on top of the rear deck, but it blocked my rear view. And I said, let me see if I could do something different. And that's what I came up with. And also those 6x9 boxes, when the bass would hit, they would vibrate off the window just a little bit. They were right under, but when the bass hit, they would jump and rattle that window. So this is what we're going to do. Use these 6x9s, drop them in the rear deck, power them up to about 175 RMS or so. I'll see what they could take. I know the Pioneers, I'll had them doing twice plus the rated power for about 5 or 6 weeks with no problems till one of them went out. That was on me. So I got another set coming back in a couple weeks, but I'm gonna pop these in. I'm gonna treat them right. I'm gonna give them rated and see how I feel about it, and we'll go from there. But let's get this box opened up. Doing this with one hand. I just picked these up off of Marketplace. They're brand new in a box. Woman had 2 sets, but I only needed 1, so that's what I asked for. See if I can pull one out here. Yep, got it. Let's see what else is in here. I saw some paper. Here we go. Comes with the nice color manual with all of their N-series coax. I had the XSP series for 6.5s in a previous build of mine. They didn't fare too well, so I'm hoping that the quality of the 6x9s are a little better. It could have just been the batches, because I would always get one good speaker out of a box. I sent it back to them about 3 times. The customer service was awesome, and it just wore me out because I would always have to send back both. I just wanted to keep my working speaker and get another working speaker. But every time it was one speaker would work. So I said, you know what? And it was either side of the car, so it wasn't the amp or the install. So it just wore me out. And I just ignored their last email when they said send them in again. But great customer service. No knock on them there. Let's get on with it. Let's open this box up. I have my knife, so that's good. We can get this tape cut right here, see what we got. Cutting away from the body. Safety first. At least I tried to. Oh yeah, that's brand new. I had some bass rocker 6x9s I gave a trial run to. Didn't last 45 minutes. So we'll see what these are. I see a little bit of hair, probably because they were open, but oh no, that's just glue. All right, it's no problem. That's just glue from over here. So that's cool. Let's pull this out, see what we got. All right, it already has a nice weight to it. It doesn't come with any grills. Nice weight to it. I could see it handling 150 RMS. I won't push it over that. I'll probably start it out at 125 or so, just to let it break in a little bit, warm up. But here it is. That's the little bass blocker or capacitor or crossover, whatever you want to call it, for the tweeters. Filtering out the low frequencies. But yeah, it probably comes with wires. Let me see. Sit that face down. It has a cutout for the tweeter, so I'm not too worried about that. Yep. Just heard him hit the deck. Got some clips, some beefy screws there. You can see that. Clips and beefy screws. Let's see if we got wires in this box. I'm using my own wire anyway, but I just wanted to see what else they gave us. Doesn't look like any wires, which is fine. I have my own wires. I'll be running 10 gauge to these, or 12. I think 12 gauge, which is more than enough. It's a short run anyway, but even if it was longer, it's still more than enough. So I'll be running 12 gauge to these. NVX NSP69 6x9 two-way speakers, 150 watts RMS each. 5 out of 5 stars.